During the current technology revolution, business services and requirements are rapidly changing to meet the customer's needs, and the traditional business applications can't keep up to these changes. And to do any change request, it will cost you money, effort, and a lot of time. But iCAD is here to make it simple. With user-friendly interface and implementation can be done in hours, not days. You will be able to perform all your tasks, such as ranking SMEs companies. iCAD will get the data from the submitted form, create the Google Sheet, and do the ranking based on the required criteria within seconds. Instead of having a dedicated team to do all of these work manually, you will save time and the task will be more efficient. With easy-to-use back-end system like iCAD, this process and more can be automated by adding the required flow. The job is done and you will be automated. Save your time by giving your tasks the best functionality and take your business to the next level now.